Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Pak Insan LS Mokoginta. Saya telah banyak menulis berbagai judul buku. Salah satu di antaranya judul buku ini adalah Selamatkan Anak Cucu Kita dari Pemurtadan. Nah, buku ini komik full color. Saya bisa lihat di sini, ya, komik full color. Ya. Buku ini merupakan salah satu karya saya yang menjadi bestseller, ya, di mana banyak orang-orang tua murid di berbagai sekolah menyuruh kepada orang tuanya untuk membeli buku ini agar supaya dibaca oleh anak-anak mereka. Namun demikian, saya sarankan sebelum buku ini diberikan kepada anak-anak atau cucu kita, sebaiknya dibaca dulu oleh orang tuanya. Kenapa saya bilang sebaiknya orang tua baca? Karena dengan membaca ini kita akan mendapatkan satu ilmu yang paling mendasar, ya, tentang perbandingan agama. Karena buku kami ini tidak dijual bebas di toko buku manapun. Bagi yang berminat bisa menghubungi kami di website yang tertera di layar ini. Demikianlah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In a dialogue or a debate, Christian Prince attacked Muslim, especially Prophet Muhammad. He asks, who circumcised him at the age of 40? Actually, it is not important who circumcised him. Anyone can. The point is he was circumcised. That's the matter. For your information, Prince, Prophet Muhammad was circumcised at the age of 7 by his grandfather, Abdul Muttalib. Actually, what matters is who obeys the command of circumcision, Muslim or Christian. The fact is, it is Muslim who practice it because they follow the teaching of Prophet Abraham. Christians do not oblige their followers to be circumcised, while in the Gospel of Luke, chapter number 2, verse number 21, it said Jesus was circumcised when he was 8 days old. Why did Jesus circumcise on the 8 days? Because Allah commanded it through Prophet Abraham as an obligation for every man. It was written in the Old Testament in Genesis chapter number 17, verse number 9 to 14. Even in the verse number 14, there is a threat for who don't practice circumcision will be sentenced to death. Christian Prince, pay attention. I will read that verse for you. God said to Abraham, you also must agree to keep the covenant with me, both you and your descendants in future generations. You and your descendants must all agree to circumcise every male among you. From now on, you must circumcise every baby boy when he is 8 days old, including slaves born in your house and slaves bought from foreigners. This will show that there is a covenant between you and me. Each one must be circumcised, and this will be a physical sign to show that my covenant with you is everlasting. Any male who wasn't been circumcised will no longer be considered one of my people, because he has not kept the covenant with me. Christian friends, when there was a command to circumcise, Prophet Abram circumcised himself. Likewise, Ishmael in his followers. The same thing with Isaac. When he was born, he was circumcised on the 8th day by Abraham. You can read it in Genesis chapter number 21, verse number 4. And in Luke chapter number 1, verse number 59, John was circumcised also on the 8 days old. Jesus was circumcised on the 8 days, like written in the Gospel, Luke chapter number 2, verse number 21. 8 days later, Jesus' parents did for him what the law of Moses commands, and they named him Jesus, just as the angel had told Mary when he promised she would have a baby. The question is, why Christian Prince doesn't oblige its followers to circumcise? It's because Paul prohibited it. Christian Prince, please read Galatians chapter number 5, verse number 2. Listen, I, Paul, tell you that if you allow yourself is to be circumcised, it means that Christ is no use to you at all. Once more, Paul said, listen, I, Paul, to tell you that if you allow yourself is to be circumcised, it means that Christ is no use to you at all. And also in the 1 Corinthians chapter number 7, verse number 18 and 19, Paul said, if you are already circumcised, don't try to change it. If you are not circumcised, don't get circumcised. Being circumcised or uncircumcised isn't really what matters. The important thing is to obey God's commands. Christian Prince, please use your common sense. In my opinion, if to obey God's commands, must be circumcised. Apparently, Abram, Ishmael, Isaac, John, and Jesus were circumcised. Why? Because they all obeyed the command of Allah. if they didn't get circumcised, they would be sentenced to death, or they were not the followers of Jesus, but the followers of Paul. Christian Prince, please read Genesis chapter number 17, verse number 14. A male who has not been circumcised will no longer be considered one of my people because he has not kept the covenant with me. The question is whether you, Christian Prince, got circumcised to follow the commands of Allah and Jesus or no. Christian Prince, do you have circumcised as Jesus have been doing it? You surely don't, because what you follow is the teaching of Paul. And that means you, Christian Prince, is not the follower of Jesus, but the follower of Paul, who was a liar, a criminal, a killer, and the person who persecuted the followers of Jesus. The ones who follow the teaching of Jesus or Prophet Isa are Muslims. If you are really want to be the follower of Jesus, please stop fooling Muslim and Christian as well. The only way for you to be safe in this world and hereafter is to convert to Islam. Thank you. See you in the next episode.